Yeah, hello everyone. So let us see about the questions from mock test. So if you see the first question, this is related to mixtures and alligation concept. So here they given a vessel contain mixtures and alligation means there is a mixing thing, right? Okay, here milk and water both are mixed in which 30% is water. Okay, and 20 liters of mixture was taken out. They said in the question, right? Then the ratio becomes 77 and with respect to 53, what is the initial quantity of milk in the vessel, right? So the mixture 30% is water. Among the 20 liters of mixture was taken out and replaced by water, then the ratio is 77 and 53. So guys, see this, okay, here initially milk and water is, I can say 7 is to 3 because 30% water indicates milk is 70%, means 7 is to 3 is the milk and water ratio. When 20 liters are removed, see 7 plus 3 is 10. They remove 20 means you need to double. In the sense, see 14 liters of milk and 6 liters of water are out. Water, milk and water is there initially. When you remove 20 liters, okay, from the can, milk and water both are mixed. If you remove 20, some part of milk, some part of water will come out. How much milk is 14? How much water is 6? 14 plus 6, 20. Satisfied. So, what is the milk now? Is what initially milk is, yeah, we can say 7 is to 3 means milk is 7K, water is 3K initially. Now, among that, you taken, okay, milk 14 liters are taken, water 6 liters are taken and replaced with water means, okay, you remove 20 and you are adding 20, but you are adding 20 liters water. Now the ratio is 77 and 53, right? Here I can take 7 common, numerator it will become k minus 2. Here 7 11 times 77. Here denominator is 3k plus 14 divided by 53. Now cross multiplying 53k, 33k, 20k, and here minus 106, this side it will come as plus 106, right? So 106 and here 154 will give 260, and I believe you got k value 13. So initially milk is 7k, 7 into 13, 91 liters. This is next level questions from mixtures and alligation topic. If anyone have an idea regarding mixtures alligations, then you can understand this topic. Not an easy concept. Okay. Uh, in mock test, if you see in Google W, okay, they given next level type of questions now. Okay, all questions are next level they given. So whatever it's possible, try to okay give an attempt and try to understand the things here. Okay, we are trying to support you max to max. Okay, you just see what way we can solve the things, right? So initially 30% water means remaining 70% is milk. 7 is to 3, 7 plus 3, 10. You have total 20. You want to remove 20, 10 liters means 7 liters milk, 3 liters water. I want to remove 20, so I am doubling it and then 14 liters milk out, 6 liters water out. And why plus 20 is they're adding water. Understand it. Milk and water after that remove and replacement is 77 with respect to 53. Right. Now see the second question. This is also related to mixtures and alligations. Type 1 rice 60 per kg. Type 2 rice 72 per kg. Here 48 kgs they taken from first one. They taken X kgs from second one. This is also related to okay mixtures and alligation concept. Right. And these two, first variety 60 per kg, second variety 72 per kg, when they mix it, the result should be more than 16 less than 72, but they given 80. But listen, these two are cost prices, but this is selling price. They given selling price. We need to obtain cost price. Selling price of mixing is 80. See, first one type A cost price is given, type B cost price is given. The mixed one is selling price is given. It's your job to convert into cost price. Selling price is 80. Because of 25% profit, we have to write as 125% of cost price. 125% means 125 divided by 100, which is 25 5 times, 25 4 times. 5 ones, 5 16s. So you got cost price of mix is 64. Okay, 64. Yeah, that is correct actually. When you mix 40, okay, 60 per kg and 72 per kg, the resultant should be more than 60 and less than 72. We should not be beyond those cases. So that's what 80 is wrong. Okay, 80 is selling price. Okay, we want cost price. All should be in cost price. Here cost price, but this is selling price. We are converting into cost price. Mixing should be in the middle. And already we discussed one of the example. Take difference, put in opposite side 8. Here take difference, put in opposite side 4. Now listen. If this is 8 kgs, 8 is to 4, what this indicates, first one 8 kgs means second one 4 kgs. Okay. Or else, okay, 2 is to, yeah, this is 8 kgs. This is 8 kgs means second one should be 4 kgs. But first one, how much you taken? 48 kgs. When 8 related to 48 kgs, 4 should relate to 24 kgs. Half of that. Option is first one, 24 kgs. Half of that. 8 is to 4 means 2 is to 1. When first one is 48, second one should be 24. You should mix in the ratio of, okay, in 48 kgs first one, second one 24 kgs. 2 is to 1 ratio you have to take. Say how much from first one, how much from second one I should take and mix. Let us say you are preparing a coffee or tea. You don't put, okay, equal quantity of coffee powder and milk. We don't put equally, right? Milk more, coffee powder bit less. So that's what water ratio you need to mix. Okay, mixtures and allegations, and this question is related to time and work. Time and work, this is also typical question they given from time and work. ABC can complete the work in 24 days, 12 days and 30 days respectively. What is the work they didn't mention here? They are doing some work. Okay, what work they are doing not given. You people can fix the work. How to fix the work is take LCM for 24, 12 and 30. So this time and work topic, okay, is clearly explained in my videos in YouTube channel. You can see that. If you, yeah, work you have to fix. Work is not given. You can take LCM for this and you can fix the work. I assume the work is 120 pages. You have to do 120 pages work in 24 days means you are typing 5 pages per day. You have to type 120 pages in 12 days means 10 pages per day. 120 pages in 30 days means 4 pages per day. This is A can type 5 pages per day, B can type 10 pages per day, C can type 4 pages per day. Now in question what they said, they started the work, after 6 days C left the work, and in how many days the total work is completed. See, the total work is 120 pages. This is join or left concept. In time and work, there is a concept called join or left. You can watch in my YouTube channel related to time and work. You can find the things. Here, initially, all three people are working for 6 days. Then C left, only A and B is there. So when all three people are working for 6 days, A, B, C, A can type 5 pages per day, B 10, C 4, means 19 pages they are typing per day. 6 days means 19 into 6, 114 pages are typed. Now only 6 pages are left. That should be typed by A and B. A can type 5, B can type 10. They're typing 10 pages per day and your work is 6 pages. Or you have to travel 6 kilometers with 10 kilometer per hour speed. What is the time taken is the question. So time is, this work is 6 pages. You are typing 10 pages per day, 6 by 10, 3 by 5. See, total time taken is 6 days here, total work. Total work, what is the time taken to complete the total work is 6 days here, and this is 3 by 5. So answer is none of this 6, 3 by 5 days. Any calculation mistakes? No, right here, 6 pages. And this is, sorry, yeah, calculation mistake is there. This is 2 only. This is 15, right? 15 pages per day. This is, okay, 3, 2 times 3, 5 times, 6, 2 by 5 days. Option is 6, 2 by 5 days. 6 space 2 by 5th of the day. Total time taken. To complete the remaining work, if they ask, to complete the remaining work 2 by 5th of the day, total time taken is here 6 days already, and next to 2 by 5th of the day, 6 2 by 5 days is your answer. Whereas next question related to profit and loss or percentage, we can say Surya sold a house to a Nitish at the profit of 20%. Nitish sold the same house to Sohan at the profit of 25%, and Sohan sold it to Kevin for 15%. See, Surya to Nitish 20% increased. Nitish to Sohan is 25% profit means 25% increase. Sohan to Kevin 15% increased. Now Kevin paid 17.25 lakhs. Okay, what is the amount paid by Surya? Right, see, Surya into 20% increase means 120%. Here 25% increase means 125%. Here 15% increase means 115% should be equal to 17.25 lakhs. Okay, what is Surya? Surya cannot be 18 because all these increase are required. It cannot be 15 also. It can be 10 or 8. We'll check. 120% means 120 divided by 100. 125 is 125 divided by 100. 115 is 115 divided by 100. This is 25 5 times, 25 4 times. This is 26 times, 25 times. This 5 get cancelled. This is 3 and this is 2. And yeah, this is 115, right? So 523 times, 520 times. Now we'll try this is 17.25 lakhs. Okay, so 17.25 into 40, okay, into 20 will give 34.5. Again into 34.5, no, 345 into 20. Into 2 will give 34.5. Into 20 will give 790, 690, sorry, yeah. 690 divided by 69 will give 10 lakhs. Yes, definitely. If you do all those calculations, we are getting Surya paid 10 lakhs. Right. So see the next question. I'm a bit fast. I know. Okay. You can revise the things again and again. If this profit and loss topic available in our channel, you can learn there. This is, I think, I mean, assumption that you people have certain idea. Okay. If you don't know, as time is less, okay, to the exam going forward. So I'm going bit speed. I know that. And this question, okay, commonly they'll ask this more in SSC exams, bank exams as well. They give two quadratic equation. Okay, from that find x and y. Then depends on that you have to give relation between x and y. Is x greater than y or x less than y or x is either greater than or equal to what's the case, right? So here divide that by 2, x square minus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. That's one quadratic equation. The other quadratic equation is this. Right. See, 117 is minus 13 into minus 9. Minus 36 satisfying this 9 minus 9 into 4. Yeah, minus 9 into 4 is minus 36. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5 satisfied. Minus 13 into minus 9, 117. Minus 13 minus 9 is minus 22. And here I'm giving one shortcut. Listen, when x square coefficient is 1, okay, x square before is 1 only there. Here y square before is 1 only there. Now what you can do now, when you got minus 9, final will be plus 9. This is only when x square before coefficient is 1. Here 4 means you will get minus 4. Here minus 13 means you will get 13. Minus 9 means you will get 9. Y, sorry, this is y. Second one is y. Definitely y is equal to x, or if you take 13, y, 9 and 9 equal, 9 is greater than minus 4, 13 is greater than 9, 13 is greater than minus 4. So y is greater than or equal to x. Or I can say x is either less than or equal to y. So you have to go with the option D, E. So x here is either less than or equal to y. You just see the approach. Okay, you need to find x and y values, then see the values. Deciding the odds are also important. X is equal to y, 9, minus 4 is anyhow less than 9 and 13. Okay, 9 is less than 39 equal to 9 because of one case equal, remaining all cases less than. So x is either less than or equal to y. See one more similar question here. Now 60 is minus 15 into minus 4. So x value 15 comma 4, 45, 18. Okay, 15 into, yeah, minus 15 into minus 3. So y will be 15 and 3. So clearly x is greater than or equal to y. X is greater than or equal to y here. If we take 15, it's equal and greater than 3. If I take, okay, wait, sorry. No. Y 4 is not greater than 15 and 13. It's wrong. Cannot be determined. I cannot fix. With 15 is equal and greater than 3, but 4 is less than 15. So x less than y is there, with this less than is there, with this equal is there, with this greater is there. So there are with this less than, with this equal, with this greater. So x greater than y, less than y, equal to y, all are there. Means relationship cannot be determined. Here I want to say x and y, no relationship. Relationship cannot be determined. X and y, we cannot say exact relation here. Between x and y, we cannot fix. Ages, okay, in previous videos also we have done a lot related to that, right? So present ages are given. Ganesh and Pushpa is 3:2, and present age of Prabha is equal to Ganesh age 8 years ago. So the gap is here 8 years, they want to say, that's it. Present age of Prabha is equal to Ganesh age 8 years ago means here the difference is 1, okay, in ratio, that is nothing but 8 years they want to go. This is the shortcut way of answering the question. Yeah, Ganesh is 3k, Prabha is 2k. As per the question, Prabha is equal to Ganesh is 8 years ago means like this, and calculating k value, it waste of time. All this stuff I clearly mentioned. 1 in ratio 1 means 8. Then Ganesh percentage is 3 into 8, 24. Prabha percentage is 2 into 8, 16. Now, after 4 years, 5 years, what is their ages? Is nothing but 50. Ages related stuff. Okay, you people have already idea. You can work on it. So 6 questions. 7th one. Now see this 8th question related to time and work. They given excellent stuff. Okay, difficult questions now. 35 men can complete a piece of work in 18 days. After 8 days from the start of the work, some men left. If the remaining work is completed by the remaining men in 14 days. So see, if 35 men complete the work in 18 days, okay. Now 8 days completed. 8 days completed. So the remaining work is 35 men can complete remaining work in 10 days. Because they said, okay, after 8 days. So first 8 days, 35 men are worked. Okay, for 8 days. After that, they are giving situation, right? See, the total work can be done by 35 men in 18 days. Now 8 days they worked already. Now remaining work is if 35 men are there, our work means remaining work. 10 days is required. But some people left. Okay, some people left. Now the work time taken is 14 days. So among 35 people, some men are left. Now it is taking 14 days to complete the work. Right? Okay, how many men are left? X value you need to calculate. We discussed like more men, less time taken to complete the work. Less men will take more time taken to complete the work. More men, less time to complete the work. Less men will take more time to complete the work. If I take men 35 by 35 minus x, this should be 14 by 10, inverse relationship, not directly. More men, less time taken, less men, more time taken. A by B here reverse. This is inversely related. Now 2 sevens, 2 5s. Sorry, yes, 7 should be here. 7 5 times 5 into 5 35, x value equal to 10. So 10 men are left after 8 days. How many men are left after 8 days? Is 10 men were left after 8 days. That's why, okay, instead of 10 days, it is taking 14 days to complete the work. Less people, more time taken. That's what our idea, right? Here, again, time and work related stuff. A is 20% more efficient than B. Both of them working together 5 by 11 days. 5 by 11 days is nothing but equal to 60 by 11 in fraction. This is mixed fraction. This is fraction. Now find the number of days time taken by A alone to complete the work. Okay, cool. See, A is 20% more efficient than B, right? So if A can type 100 pages per day, B can type 120 pages per day. That's what 20% more efficient means. Now together 120 plus 100, 120 plus 100, 220 pages per day. Here I assumed A type, B typing 100, then A will be 120 because 20% more efficient. Right. Now together is they given in the question 60 by 11 days. Now A alone is what is the question. Right. Okay, let's say that is X days. You need to calculate X value. So guys, again, you are more efficient candidate means you should complete the work in less time. So here A plus B efficiency is more, time is less. A efficiency is more less, time should be more. Now we have to go with inverse relationship. X divided by 60 by 11 is 1220 by 120, inversely related. Time and efficiency are inversely related. You are more efficient candidate means you should complete the work in less time. So 61, 62 times 2 ones to 110. Okay, this 1 by 11 will go there. 110 into 1 by 11. So we'll got X value 10. 110 divided by 11 will get X value 10 days. This is 10 actually, not 0. It's 10. Typing error. So 10 days is the answer. Now again related to ages. ABC 4, 5, 6. D is 3 is to 5. The sum of C and D is 60 years. And the ratio of B to E is 15 is to 8. Now listen, you need to join that ABC 4, 5, 6, right? Okay. D and E 3 and 2. Now to join, to make sure combining of this, B to E is 15 and 18. 15 and 8, right? See, to combine this should be 15. E should be 8. E should be 8 means I should multiply by 4. This is 12 and 8. B should be 15 means I should multiply by 3. This is 12, 15 and 18. Now I can combine because whatever they said B and E 15 and 8 is matched. Now I can combine this ratio A, B, C, D, E is A12, B15, C18, D12, E8. That is satisfied. B and E is 15 and 8 satisfied. Okay, and they given C plus D is 60 years. So here, if you see C value 18, D value 12, 30, but they want 60 means we have to double, right? So all should be doubled, and they're asking average means sum divided by number of. So correct value of A is 24, B is 30, C is 36, D is 24, C is 16, E is 16. Now you want average means sum divided by number of 24 and 36 will be equal to 60, 90, here 40, 130. 130 divided by 5 is average. They are asking average which is nothing but 26 years. This is also typical question, combination of ratios and averages. Not easy. Joint ratio concept is there, but this is totally different. A, B, C, D, E. To connect it, they given B. Okay, we maintain that B is 15, E is 8. Then we combined it and we got C and D. combined is 30, they given us 60, means double. So everyone should be doubled. So when you double all, we got each value. They are asking average. Average is sum divided by number of. When you do that, hope you got 26 is the answer. And see the 11th one. How many even numbers? See, this is permutation combinations. This all mock questions is next level actually here. What are they given in this is all next level. Excluding the extreme values, how many even numbers are between? Means 20,001 to 39,999 from here to here. How many even numbers are possible? If any digit can occur any number of times, means repetition allowed. Repetition allowed. You want only from 20,001 to 39,999. Right? Okay. Now it's a 5-digit number. Okay. And see, what is allowed is even number, right? I want even number. So this should be filled with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Means even number. Okay, 5 ways this slot can be filled. Here also I can use any of these numbers. How many numbers? This is 6 numbers, 6 ways. There is no condition. This is 6 ways. This is 6 ways. But here 5 ways only because we cannot use 0. 0 cannot be used. Right? Now 30, 180, 180 into 30. Yeah, they're asking how many even numbers between this. Yeah, sorry, this cannot be 5 also. Wait. This cannot be 0. Yeah. 0 cannot be used. I cannot use 4. I cannot use 6. I cannot use 8. I can use only 2 ways. It can be 2 or 3. Because if I use 4, I got more than 40,000 and all. 6, 8, no. 0 cannot be used. Only 2 ways. So this is 230, 180, 1080 into 2 is 2160, but answer is 2159. 2159. Why, sir? So in this 2160, when you check it out, I said I can use 2 here. In this 6, I can use 0 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 6 or 8. Means 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here. 20,000 will come. In this 2160, okay, minus 1 because among this 20,000 possibility is there. That should be removed. 20,000 also possible here. Okay, so minus 1 try to understand because they said between, we don't want to use 20,000. 2,159 is your answer. Yeah, some people are not able to catch up, but that's what, okay, they want only 200 people in the entire country. Okay, they want, okay, people with bit good grasping power, right? So say this, 6 boys and 6 girls around a circular table, no 2 boys together. So when no 2 boys together, first we have to arrange girls. 6 girls in a circle can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. 5 factorial ways 6 girls can be arranged. And when you have 6 girls, okay, arranged in this circular way, you will get gaps. 1 gap, here 2 gap, 3 gaps, 4 gaps, 5 gaps, 6 gaps. In these 6 gaps, that boys should be fit. Because boys should not be together, means they should be between the girls. So let's say this is girl G1, G2, not required in the same order. I can put G5, here G4, here G6. Okay, anyway, now we have 6 gaps in between and 6 boys are there. How many ways to arrange boys is 6 boys, 6 gaps, 6p6 we call. 6p6 means 6 factorial. So answer is 5 factorial into 6 factorial. This is also next level question because they said no 2 boys together. Okay, and circular table, 5 factorial to 6 factorial is the answer. Circular table, if it is normal one, linear permutation means 6 factorial to 6 factorial will come. If it is, this is circular table. If it is not circular table, okay, it is 6 factorial to 6 factorial. Option B will come, but this is circular table. Check it out. And see this 13th question. There are a certain number of soldiers in a field. If the soldiers are arranged in rows of 8, 15 or 20, one soldier is left. Means when you divide the answer with 18, 8, 15 and 20, we are getting 1 as the remainder. one extra. And if it is arranged, okay, in 9 or 13, 4 are left. So when the number is divided by 9 or 13, k is a variable. Okay, we want 4 as the remainder. So you simply check, okay, this is not the answer because divided by 9 exactly. I want 4 remainder. It's not correct. It's exactly divisible by 9. When I divide by 15, I want one remainder. Okay, this is 15 divided by 15, it's not one remainder. So 121 is the answer. When divide by 8, one remainder, divide by 15, one remainder, divide by 20, one remainder means it should be definitely 121, 141, 161 like that, right? When number is divided by 20 and one remainder. So at least with that we can say 121 is the answer. There is a method you need to vary this kr. Here it may be a different variable t and all. Okay, some variable can be used. Y can be 1 2 3 4 like that. K can be 1 2 3 4. We need to vary and check actually. Instead of that, okay, better is this. You can just directly verify the option. Dividing by 9, 4 remainder. Yes, 9 13 times 117, 4 remainder for sure. 13 7 times, okay, 13 9 times 117, 4 remainder. Both ways it's satisfied. And here from a book in which the pages are numbered in the usual way with odd numbers appearing on the right pages, even on the left pages. 31 consecutive leaves were torn off. Which of the following could be some of the 62 page numbers on these leaves? Okay, could be the sum of 62 page number, right? So 31 consecutive numbers were torn off. Okay, they're taken out. From a book, 31 pages are removed. Leaves, yeah, fine. Okay, in which the page odd numbers on the right page, even numbers on the left pages. So here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4 like that is there. Okay, here 5, here 6 like that, that page numbers are there, right? 62 pages is there, among the 31 are removed. Consecutive 31 pages are removed. It can be 1 to 31. Okay, is it? So you just check it out. 62 pages means you will get the number up to 1. This will keep going up to 124, 123. Okay, so they can remove any 31, right? So it can be from 15. Okay, which 31 pages? It can be 1 to 31, right? You just think about those. Okay, now it's like verifying the options because it can be any 31. Okay, they can remove from 5 to some other pages. Okay, up to 36 pages they may remove. 31 removed. Okay, but what is that 31? We don't know, right? Here in this question, important thing is, okay, 31 leaves are taken. Among the 31, so you're fine. So here one wrong perception what I taken is, okay, 135 on right side, 246 on left side. Okay, 31 leaves are torn off. What is the total number of pages in that book is not given. 31 is removed. Okay, it can be, okay, 1 to 31, in the sense 1 to 62 page numbers they may remove. They may remove from a 31 removed. The book pages we don't know. How many number of pages is not mentioned. So 31 removed. So 31 into 62 pages is there. They removed 32, right? So left and right, one page. So that's how they given. Page numbers, 62 page numbers will be there, right? So each page left and right, we have numbers. So 62 page numbers are there. This is consecutively, right? So somewhere the number should start, and yeah, 62 page numbers is there. What is that summation? It can be, as I mentioned, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So it can start from 5 onwards. It can start from, yeah, it can be start that 62 can be starts from 5 to 67. It can be, or it can be started from 9 to 71, right? So that page numbers can be any of this, right? So one logic we need to see. So number of pages, how many numbers is there is 62. So sum, it will be definitely what are they taken consecutive. This is in AP. Sum of terms in AP is nothing but number of terms. So number of terms is 62 divided by 2. What are the first page they removed? Let it be A. Okay, first page will be A. Okay, first page A. Next is 5 means next one 6, A plus 1 like that. A plus, okay, last page will be A plus 62, right? So this should be 31 into 2A plus 62, or I can say 62 into 2A plus 31. So my answer should be divided by, sorry, A plus 31 should be divided by 62. So how many leaves? Sum of the 62 page numbers on these leaves. So we have 62 terms for sure. So 62 n by 2, number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. So I need my answer should be divided by 31. 2201 is divided by 31 or not. So we'll, yeah, 2201 is it divided by 31? Because my option, first of all, it should be divided by 31. First one divided by 31. No. Second one divided by 31. Yes. Yeah, 31. Then it is A will be equal to, you want 62 means extra 9, right? So then 71, 2079 divided by 31. No. So only thing which is divided by 31 is this. So again you see the question, yeah, page numbers are numbered in usually with odd numbers appearing on the right pages and even numbers on the left pages. 31 pages are removed. So right side odd number, left side even number. So we removed page means it will be right, then left. First odd number, then even number. So A plus 1, A plus 2, so on like that. They're asking what is the sum of those 62 page numbers on these leaves. Yeah, what is the first page number among that leaves we have to know. Okay, we don't know that, so we are just going with that A is an integer value. So we need to see which option is going to satisfy this format. Dividing by 62 and giving a reminder A plus 31, and A should be odd number. A must be odd number. So here this is divided by 31, but we don't get, I think here we don't have a choice, but this is the procedure. I hope you understand the procedure at least. We have total 62 page numbers. Okay, sum of terms in AP is number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay, this should be 61. A plus 61. Yeah, cool. Wait. This is A plus 61. You want total 62 pages. 5 is also there. So this is 66. This will be 70. We include 9. From 9, one count will start, right? So then this is 31 into A plus 2A plus 61. So answer should be divided by 31. Yeah, when you divide by 31, this is giving, okay, 2201 is giving 69. Okay, 69 is equal to 2A plus 61. 2A is equal to what number we got? 8. A is equal to 4. Okay, they removed from even number null, but that's what at least this is satisfied. Yeah, A, they may taken A in the right side. So A even number or odd number first. 32 pages in a book they removed, pulled. They given even number on the left page, odd number on the right page. Fine, A should be integer first of all. A is an integer value. And what's the answer here we got? 2201 divided by 31 is giving 71 for us. So when it gives 71, 71. 2a should be equal to 10, a equal to 5, a odd number satisfied. Yeah, option is 2201. Among options only we need to verify. Okay, because answer should be divided by 31, remaining all are not divided by 31, and a should be odd number. Yeah, when you take the page, okay, you remove the pages, right side is odd number, left is even number. First it starts from odd number. Okay, if you just check all those things satisfied, so 2201 is the answer. This is also a typical next level question, to be frank, but we are not expecting this difficulty in main exam. This is okay example. Okay, 5 kilometer per hour you are going early. When speed is less you are going late, and with 6 kilometer per hour how much time you will take to reach the office, right? See, t is the normal time taken to reach the office. Let's say t is the time taken to reach office. With you are traveling same distance with the speed 5, you are going 4 minutes early. The same distance with the speed 4, distance is speed into time. You are going late 2 minutes. So from these two, okay, what you can understand is t equal to minus 20 will go to this side, so 28 minutes. So normal time taken to reach the office is 28 minutes. Means distance is 5 kilometer per hour. You substitute 28 are here anywhere. You calculate the distance you need to walk from home to school. From home to school. So what's the distance here is 5 into 5 kilometer per hour into this will give 24 minutes. To convert into hours we are dividing by 60. So this is 120 minutes means 2 hours, 2 kilometers. This is kilometer per hour, I am converting into hour. So because of that I divided by 60. So this is 2 kilometers is the distance. Now if you go with 1 kilometer per hour, what is the time taken is, distance is 2 with 6 kilometer per hour, 1 by third of the hour means 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Yes, when speed is more, you will reach the goal very less time. So 20 minutes, 1/3 of the hour means 20 minutes is the answer. Distance is speed into time. Using that, we can cover that question. And here, total strength is 1000. 30% is girls, means 300 girls are there, and 700 boys are there. There are 600 PGs and 120 more male UGs than female UGs. So out of 1000 people, 600 PGs are there. Okay. And 120, and we have 400 UGs obviously, because out of 1000 boys and girls, okay, among them how many are post graduation, undergraduation, right? So UGs are there, PGs are there. Okay, cool. And here to calculate how many male UGs, how many female UGs. UGs are 120 more than male UGs are 120 more than female UGs. Among 400, if you remove 120, remaining 280 are equally there. So here 140 male, here 140 female is required. Male UGs, female UGs. And as they said here, that 120 extra removed, then male and female should be equal. And you add that 120 here. So we got 260 male UGs are there. So male undergraduates are 260, female are 140. Now question, male are what percent of male are the female UGs? Okay, female UGs are what percentage of male UGs? Into 100 is required obviously. So 140, what percent of the males are the female UGs out of the males? So what is the total males? 700. Okay, so out of males, not male UGs. Female UGs are what percentage of males? So female UGs are 140, males means boys, 700 into 100. This 100 cancel. 140 divided by 7 is 20%. This is also a typical question. They given bit next level questions here. Next, simple interest and compound interest. Compared to the mock test papers, what we discussed so far, this is bit next level they given, but I'm not expecting this much difficulty for sure. Okay, but in safe side, okay, you people should be not we're not taking any chances. We're discussing this, but for first BTech students, this is not expected. This much big level we not expected. 10,000 rupees at 20% per annum for 5 years at simple interest, but from the fourth year onwards, on the entire amount due at the end of 3 years, the lender begins to charge 20% compound annually. See, this question is there in TCS also. See, first 3 years, so total 5 years, right? So, first 3 years they are applying simple interest concept. Then last 2 years they are applying compound interest concept. First 3 years they given 10,000 rupees, 20% per annum. This is simple interest concept they applied. Here compound interest. In simple interest, what is there? 20% for 1 year means 3 years means 60% is the interest profit you got. Okay, 60% for 10,000 means 6,000. So 16,000 is the amount you will receive after 3 years. Now what they are giving, now that 16,000 is the investment for next to 2 years for compound interest 20% per annum. Now what is the amount? Okay, for next to 2 years is because of compound interest 16,000 into 120% first year, 2 years, right? Next year also 20% increased. Okay, 120% into 120%. We can say 120% means 120 divided by 100, 1.2, 1.2 like that. Okay, 1.2 multiplied by this. Okay, we'll give 160 into 144. So 0, 1 0 required. 4, we have to end with 4. 4 into 6 is 24. So option this is satisfies. Yeah, definitely I think option this is satisfied. Okay. It's again a typical question. 23,040 multiplying. First 3 years simple interest, then they are applying compound interest. Okay, compound interest, what is the amount will be there is 20% increase means I can write 120%, again 120% because of compound interest. Typical question related to compound interest it is. Now see this next one, 18th one. A started a business with 20,000 rupees. After 3 months, B joined. Partnership concept is investment into timing. How much you invested for how much time. Partnership there in your booklet, simple interest, compound interest is there in your channel. So except 1 or 2 topics, majority every topic in depth, time and work available in our channel. Okay, percentage is available, everything there. If you want in-depth knowledge, you can go through that. Now here, see, A started the business. After 3 months, B joined. After some time, C also joined. Now, okay, annual profit means at the end of the year, 12 months completed. So at the end of the year, okay, they given in the question, B received 18,000 profit out of total profit 55,000. Let it be. Means B is 18 out of 55. Out of total, he got 18 parts out of 55. Generally, profit share ratio, how to decide is how much they invested for how much time. Okay. See, A invested 20,000. He is available for entire 12 months. B invested 40,000, but he is available only for 9 months because after 3 months he joined. C invested 1 lakh, but how much time he invested? They're asking after how many months he joined, but how much time he is available. 12 minus that will give the answer. 12 minus T is your answer. First, how much time is available, we have to know. Right. So if you see this 3 zeros, this 3 zeros, yeah, 4 zeros also, we can cancel. And still 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 fives. So this is 12, 18 and 15. And as per the question, this is B is 18, here 18. But total should be 55. So this is 12 plus 18, 30. This should be 55 means 25 equal T should be equal to 5. means T available for 5 months. T is available for 5 months means he joined after 7 months. T is available. How much time he is available is for 5 months. Sir, why? Because I want total 55. These are all adding 55 required. 12, 18 is here already available. B is 18 available. Total should be 55. 12 plus 18, 30. I want 25. So T should be 5. So he invested for 5 months. Means he joined after 7 months is the meaning. And this is profit and loss related stuff. A laptop sold at a profit of 15%. If we sold at a 10% lower, the profit will be 1050. Okay, so for 10% less amount, what is the cost price of the laptop? Okay, a laptop was sold at a profit of 15%. If it was sold at a 10% lower, lesser value of that, okay, then the amount will be 1050. Now the question is, what is the cost price of the laptop? Right. See, the profit is 1050. When it is 10% lower than initial, they want 15% profit, right? 10% lower than that. If they sold it, okay, then it is 1050. So what is the cost price of the laptop? Guys, see this question. See here, if you observe, okay, let us consider as per our assumptions, it's better way of doing. Okay, or maybe fine. Okay, let us say cost price is something A, then selling price will be 115% of A. Why 115% of A is 15% profit, right? But he sold 10% lower. If he sold 10% lower, means 115% for the 10% lower means 90%. 10% decreased, 90%. So this will be 115%. Okay, means 115 divided by 100, 90% means 0.9. So 115 into 0.9. So 103.5% of A is what the selling price. At this place, profit is 1050. 1050 is new selling price minus original cost price. 103.5% means 1.035 divided by 100. So the difference CP is A. This is 1.035A means 0.035A is 1050. So A is what you need to calculate. A is 1050 divided by 0.035. So 1050 into 1000 divided by 35. This is 35, 30 times. So we got 30,000 is the answer. Answer is 30,000. Here 90% because 10% lower decrease in 10% more means 110%, 10% less means 90%. Profit is always selling price minus cost price. This is also a typical question from profit and loss. I believe that to understand the platform, maybe they given okay some random questions like this. This is actually not the cup of tea for first BTech student. This might be for final years. Okay, this is only to understand the platform. They may given in that way. Okay. Here, number of boys and girls is one issue. First priority to complete the 4 parts of video whatever we given already. Next, you come through this. Okay. In a class, the ratio of and the timings 50 questions 1 hour is not sufficient for this type of questions. And there is no negative marking when time is running out. Try to attempt the questions. Don't give up. Don't give up. Right. Now, among the boys, 1/3 are day scholars and 1/4 of these day scholars travel to school by bus. Okay. Boys and girls are 1:2. Let's take 100 and 200. 1/3 are day scholars among the boys. So fine. Okay, I should divide by 3. I have to keep that point in my mind. 100 is not divided by 3. So better I can take. If this is 300, this is 600. If 1:2, I can take boys as 300. Girls 600 also correct, right? Why I taken 300 is I know 1/3 are day scholars. So my boys should be divided by 3. So Boys 300. Okay, day scholars. Boys day scholars are one third of 300, 100. And one fourth of these day scholars travel by bus. So one fourth of this means 25 are traveling in bus. Day scholars traveling in bus. Among the girls, two-thirds are day scholars. Girls day scholars are two-thirds means 400. And half of these day scholars travel by bus. So among this half are bus means 200. Now question is, what part of the students? So total students for us is boys plus girls, which is 900. How many are traveling in bus? So bus travelers are 225. Boys 25, girls 200. Means 225. This is 1 by 4th. 225 out of 900, 1/4. Assume the value, see how good it is. If you assume the value, the things processed very smooth. If you take x and all, it will take more time to solve the question. Again, I repeat, okay, this level we may not expect for first BTech students in that filtration. Maybe, okay, as those questions will repeat, so they may skip things and they may given like this. Okay. And here, Ajay and Vijay wrote a test. Ajay score and twice Vijay score is equal to 320. This is equation solving. And twice Ajay score plus Vijay score is 290. Right? So adding these two, 3 times Ajay score plus 3 times Vijay score is 600. Ajay plus Vijay is 300. Clearly, Vijay is 10. Right? So here subtracting 290. Ajay plus twice Vijay is 310. This is 200, sorry. Divide by 3, 200. So 110 is Vijay score. Vijay score is 110. This should be 200. Vijay score 110. Ajay score is 90. 9 is to 1. 9 is to 11. 66 divided into 3 parts. The sum of the first two parts equal the third part, and the second part is 3 less than the twice the first part. What is the ratio of this? Okay, first of all, that summation should be 66 divisible. Okay, or else, okay, fine. They given what? 3 parts, A, B, C, let us say. Sum of the first two parts is equal to third part. Okay. Adding these to third part, no. Third part, and the second part is 3 less than the twice first part. Okay. Fine. Is that the given, right? Divide it into 3 parts. Sum of the first two parts equal to third part. No option satisfying here. Yeah, I think this is okay. Second part is 3 less than the twice first part. That's not satisfying. Twice this is 8. 8 minus 3 is 7. No. Fine. So A plus B plus C is equal to 66. A plus B can be taken as C. So 2C equal to 66. C equal to 22. Cool. And we know A plus B equal to C means A plus B is 22. And here B equal to 2A minus 3. If you substitute B is 2A minus 3, then 3A equal to 25. There is some mistake here. A equal to 25 divided by 3. Might be this should be 1 less than like that, because see, A 25 by 3 we got. Then B will be, okay, 22 minus 25 by 3. 66 minus 25 is 41 divided by 3. C is 22. Okay, we'll have the ratio 25, 41, 66. Now adding first to 2, you got third one. Okay, yeah, adding first to 2, you got the third one. See, 25 plus 41 is 66. And twice the first one, 50, is second part is 3 less than the twice the first part. Here also it's failed. Why so? 50 minus 3. Okay, fine. That's divided by 3 is there, right? So it's not correct. That by 3 is there. That's sent here. That will not satisfy now. So this should be the answer. It's not available in the options. Here there is a mistake. Okay, what is the ratio of the parts arranged in ascending order? This should be your answer. You just see that. Okay, 66 divided into 3 parts. A plus B plus C 66. A plus B equal to C. Second part is twice the first part. 3 less than the twice the first part. 2A minus 3. So adding on, dividing all. So this is what the ratio required. Now see the next one. Ashok and Babu have some coins. Ashok give 20 coins to Balu. He would have thrice as many coins as Balu. Ashok gives 30 coins to Balu. He would have twice as many coins as Balu. Fine. So A and B is there. A minus 20 is thrice B plus 20 after giving. A gives 30 means Balu will be 30 more, right? So it's nothing but twice. Now how many coins Balu is having? Subtracting these two, A cancel. 10 equal to B. That's it. B value is 10. Subtract these two equations. A cancel. Difference is 10. 3B plus 60, 2B plus 60. 60 cancel. B equal to 10. How many coins Balu is having is 10. Next 24. In a 2-digit number, the digits differ by 2. 10 times the number exceeds the 5 times the sum of the numbers, forming reversing its digit and sum of its digits by 90. Find the number. Okay, first it should be differ by 2 only, not 30, not 16. It should be 46 or 24 because differ by 2. 10 times the number, there is some number, 10 times of that, 10 times the number exceeds 5 times sum of the numbers found by reversing its digits. Let's say number is AB, sum of the numbers formed by reversing its digits and sum of its digits by 90. Okay. Find 10 times the number exceeds 5 times the sum of the number formed by reversing its digits and the sum of its digits. Okay. BA plus B plus A plus 90 required. So I'll, okay, take this 46, let us say 10 times of that means 460. It should be 5 times of 64 plus 6 plus 4 plus 90. Is it satisfied? We'll check. This is 70, 350 and 90, 440 plus 20. Yes, 46 is satisfied. We have to reverse the digit. Okay, number is nothing but AB. Okay, this is what the condition. Option verification is best here. You can check it out that. Next one, 10 girls and 9 boys are standing in a line. No 2 boys and no 2 girls are standing together. I think this is related to reasoning. We entered into reasoning. I think out of 25 questions, one question is missed here. Okay, but fine. This is entered into reasoning now. 10 girls and 9 boys are standing in a line. No 2 boys and no 2 girls are standing together. Neha is standing 4th to the left of Megha. If all the boys are removed, then Neha is 7th from the right end. Find the position of Megha from the left end among 19 students. Okay, so we have 10 girls and 9 boys, total 19. Boys and girls are not standing together, means boy and girl alternate. You understand, boys and girls are alternate. Neha standing fourth to the left of Megha. Megha, first, second, third, fourth Neha. Here, boy will be there. This is a boy. Here, girl. Here, boy is there. Two boys are there in between actually. Fine, Neha. Neha is, if all the boys are removed, Neha is seventh from the right end. From right end, without boys, from right end, without boys, Neha is seventh. Without boys, boys excluded. Now, what is the position of Megha from the left end among 19 students? Right. See, Neha is seventh from girl, seventh from right end means seventh girl, right? Okay. See here, girl. Here it will be a boy. Here, girl. Okay. Here the sixth girl. This is this guy. This is sixth girl. Here we have a boy. Here fifth girl is Megha actually. Megha is fifth girl. Megha is fifth girl, right? And here there is a boy, and here we have a girl, again boy, here girl, again boy, here girl, again boy, here girl. Maybe here boy is there or not is a question mark. After this, because boys removed means okay, here boy is there. Our right side starting with girl. Here 10 girls means definitely boys and girls alternate. We have to start with girl only. Ending with girl only possible. Starting with girl and ending with girl. Girl, boy. Suppose you have five. See, it's simple logic like I have three girls and two boys. Definitely, first girl, boy, and ending with girl. When girl is one more than boy, I have to start with girl and ending with girl. Then only alternate. Okay, boys and girls are not together will happen. So definitely last ending is girl only. Okay, here in between there are how many boys? One, two, three, four, five, six boys are there. Okay, now what is the total position of Megha from right end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Megha is ninth from right end. And total people are 19. 19 students are there. Definitely it should be 11th from left end. We know, okay, one person, okay, we discussed already in previous video. Total 19 means right end plus left end minus 1 should be total. Ninth from right and 11th from left hand, adding those two minus 1 should be equal to total. Okay, 11 plus 9, 20 minus 1 should be 19. So 11th from the left hand is correct. Megha is 11th from left hand. And from right hand, ninth. You have ninth also, please be careful. Ninth from right hand, 11th from left hand. And okay, this is related to blood relation. Pointing to a lady. So lady is daughter of Mai means Dinesh. Dinesh, mother's only daughter-in-law. Dinesh is a male person. Mother only daughter-in-law means Dinesh wife. So that lady is Dinesh wife. Dinesh brother is unmarried. How is the lady related to Dinesh? Lady related to Dinesh is wife only. What's that? Okay, Dinesh saying to his only brother. Okay, Dinesh mother only daughter-in-law means okay son wife. Dinesh brother is unmarried. Now okay definitely this person is Dinesh wife. See daughter-in-law means son wife. It may be Dinesh wife or Dinesh brother wife also. That's why they mentioned Dinesh brother is unmarried. So how is this person lady related to Dinesh's wife? Next syllogism related question. You need to draw the diagram satisfying the given statements. This is all level of TCS exam actually. So your job is from the statements draw the diagram. Using the diagram decide which conclusion is correct. Always correct. All buses are car. All cars are train. some train or aeroplane, no car is a cycle. Now, no bus is a cycle. I can draw like this also. All buses are car, all cars are trains, some trains are aeroplane. Okay, no car is a cycle. Car and cycle not connected. It can connect to train also. Or cycle can connect to aeroplane also. Fine, but first thing, some trains are buses. Yes, in this train area, some part is occupied by bus. First one correct in both diagrams. First diagram, second diagram, both correct. Some cars are aeroplanes. No, cars and aeroplanes not connected. Failed in both diagrams. No bus is a cycle. Yeah, correct in both. So first one, third one only correct. First one and third one only correct. Again, here also similar question. Okay, don't worry about the statements. What were they given? You have to consider the statements is true. Some water are cool drink. No cool drink is Pepsi. Some water are cool drink. No cool drink is Pepsi. All Pepsi are juice. All water are shake. This is all water. Already there. So all waters are shake. This is one diagram. You can draw many diagrams as well. This is one. Now here first conclusion. Some shake are cool drinks. Yes, correct. Some shakes are not Pepsi. In this diagram, it's correct. All cool drink being juice is a possibility. Here it's failed, but see, I can draw like that. Some water are cool drink. No cool drink is Pepsi. All Pepsi are juice. I can draw like this also. All Pepsi are juice. In that cool drink may be there. All water are shake. Okay, I can draw like this also. All water are shake. Water entire should be inside the shake. This is also correct diagram. For the statement, you have to draw the diagram. Now, when there is a whole possibility, if it satisfied one diagram also, you have to consider. First one, some shake are cool drinks. Yeah, some part of shake are cool drinks. Some shakes are not Pepsi. This is shake area, not in Pepsi, correct? All cool drinks being a juice is a possibility. Possibility means one diagram satisfied also we should consider. So all follows here. Satisfying one diagram also we should consider. That's what, okay, possibility meaning. And here this arrangement, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, you can consider in that way. We have 8 people around a table and they're asking 5 questions with this. Don't be panic. Okay, they're asking 5 questions for this data. So you check it out once. Here, circular table facing the center. Geeta is sitting third to the right of Fatima. So we have 8 people facing the center. Maintain equal distance. Geeta is sitting third to the right of Fita. Okay, F facing towards center. Right means you should go anti-clockwise. Left means clockwise here. So Fatima right side, first right, second right, third right is Geeta. I'm taking Fita here, Geeta here. Hema is not neighbor of Fita, Geeta. So Hema here, Hema here, Hema here, Hema here. Not possible. Hema can be here or here. Hema only 2 places possible. Asha is second to the right of Hema. If I put Hema here, first right, second right, Fita is there. So Hema should be here. First right, second right is Asha. So Asha here. We should do trial and error. So can I put Hema here? Hema 2 places is there. If I put Hema, second right Fita coming, but they said second right to Asha is okay. Second right to Hema is Asha. So Hema should be here. Fine. So Asha completed, Geeta completed, Fita completed. Only 4 people completed. Hema also completed. Next. Beena is third to the right of Chitra. Chitra is not neighbor of Geeta. So Geeta here, Chitra not possible. Chitra can be here or Chitra can be here. Asha, okay, Beena is third to the right of Chitra. If Chitra here, first right, second right, third right. Bina possible. And here, if Chitra is here, first right, second right, third right, Bina possible here. So here Chitra, two possibilities is there. But next one, Dina is the one left over. Dina is not neighbor of Hema. Okay, not the neighbor of Chitra. Fine. So Dina should be here and Chitra one. Now first to think about Dina. Dina cannot be a neighbor of Hema or Chitra. Dina cannot be here. Okay, Dina should be one among this. If Dina here or here, if I take Chitra, Chitra is neighbor of Dina should come. So Chitra should be here. Third right Bina, Dina here, and one person left over is Ina here. So perfect arrangement is that, all complete. Then what is the position of Ina with respect to Asha? Ina is 1, 2, 3, third left of Asha. Asha left side, third to the left of Asha, or fifth right also correct. Total 8 people, right? Fifth right and third left both will come. From right side also I can go, from left side also I can go. Fifth right also correct. Who is exactly sitting between Hema and Asha is C. Chitra. The other question, Bina and Ina clockwise, counterclockwise means anti-clockwise. From Bina, anti-clockwise going, how many people between Bina and Ina? Anti-clockwise means like this. Between Bina and Ina, anti-clockwise, two people are there. Counterclockwise, anti-clockwise is same. Two people are there between Bina and Ina. Next, which one is different? And one more, Asha, Feeta, Dina, Geeta, Chitra, Asha. Okay, again Asha, why? I think it's, what the next two? I have total, I think there is a mistake here. Total 8 people. Feeta, Dina, Feeta, okay, Asha, Feeta. That sequence, Asha, Feeta, Dina, Geeta. Asha, Feeta, Dina, Geeta. Fine, Bina missed here. Asha, Feeta, Dina, Geeta. Okay. After the Dina, Geeta, here. After two, they left one person, Dina, Geeta. After Dina, Geeta, Ina left. Ina they removed. Ina removed, they went for Chitra and Asha. So Ina removed. Ina and Hina both removed, two removed. They went for Chitra and Asha. Now two written. They removed one. Again two written. Removed two. Next, this two written, three should be removed. Then this should be Geeta and Ina. One left over, two left over, like that. It's like, okay, I think now the answer should be three people left over, means Geeta and Ina should come. See, here A and F, then Bina removed. G, D and G, E and H removed, C and A they given. Next three removed, G and E should be written. It should be Geeta and Ina if available. Yeah, Geeta and Ina is there. So AF, after that 1% removed. DG, after that 2% removed. CA, after that 3% removed. Then this should be GE. Going counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. Whereas this one, which is different. Feena, Chitra, I think here we can find. Feena, Geeta, two people are between. Okay, fine. We'll better go with that arrangement. That list we have to write. AF, BD, GEHC. AF, BD, AF, BD, G, BD, GH, EC. If I'm not wrong, I'll check again. AF, BD, GEHC, GEHC, GEHC. This is okay in counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise, anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, fine. They're giving phenon. You can write like this. Okay, this can be continuation again. Between Feena and Chitra, one person. Yeah. Between Eena and Asha, no. Hema and Geeta between one person. Feena and Geeta between two persons. So what is different? 4 out of 5 are the same. Here I have only 4 options. So there may be one thing missing. Or is it opposite page? We need to check. A, F, B, D, G. Let's see, 8 people, right? A, F, B, D, G, E, H, C. Okay, Feena and Chitra, one gap. Eena and Asha, two gap. Hema and Geeta, one gap. Feena and Geeta, two gap. Is it opposite? Eena opposite Geeta, or Asha opposite Geeta, neighbor is Eena, or Eena opposite neighbor for that, okay. Hema opposite, no, Feena opposite Eena, neighbor for that. So one different one among the options. Generally it will be like clockwise or anti-clockwise going will be happen. Here somehow they filtered. Let me check. What's the other thing? Are putting in an order A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Is Geeta. No. Okay. Fine. Generally, odd one out will be like that. See, suppose like one person between every pair. Okay, one pair, two people between like that it will come. So here some mistake is there. But I hope you got the idea. And this is statements and conclusions. So with respect to statement, conclusion should be definitely true. Definitely true only you consider. In Shahrukh team scored 250 runs, 170 are made by spinners. Okay, spinners, opening batsman, I cannot say. First opening batsman 0-0 score. Then spinners maybe scored, right. 80%, see they scored more runs means 80% of spinners in the team is not correct. I cannot conclude, right. So we can say neither of the conclusion. So here, neither conclusion one nor conclusion two. Definitely true is the one you have to mention. If I can say like, okay, out of 250 runs, one batsman scored 170. So that batsman is the highest scorer is correct. Out of 250, 170 scored by one person means that person is the highest scorer in that team. That's correct. That I can say, but this I cannot decide. Raju is a married man with two daughters and one son. How is his wife related to that girl? So who is that girl? Girl is daughter of the only child of my father. My means here Raju. Raju father only child, daughter. Raju father only child means Raju, daughter, maybe this girl or this girl. Right, so how is that girl related to, how is his wife related to that girl? His mother. Only child of Raju father means Raju only. Only child of my father means me. Right. This is excellent question. 260th term in this service, in this series, right? Here one, this is 2 times, this is 3 times, here 4, here 5, here 6. Up to 6th, okay, F will come. Here what is the sum here? How many terms completed is 6 into, this is natural numbers, right? So we got 21. Like the 260th term. Okay, 260th term means n into n plus 1 by 2 should be near to that 260 because it can be in the middle. This is also f up to 6 terms. Okay, in between also f is there. So ending to n plus 1 should be approximately 520. If I take approximation, I can go close to that. N square approximately n plus 1 I am ignoring. N square is 520. Means n should be in the range of 25 square 625. 23. N should be around 23. I'll check with 23. So 23 into 23 plus 1 divided by 2 means 23 into 12, which is 256, 276, right? 276 terms. Means W will be there. See, W is the answer for sure. How, sir? Listen. Okay, N23 means W. W starts from where R, maybe I can say, where V is ending. V ending term, V 22, right? So 22 into 22 plus 1 divided by 2 means 11 into 23, 243, 253 is the last term of V. V last is 253. From 254 onwards, 254th term W, 255 W, up to 276 W only will be there. After 253, 244, 255, 256, up to 276 W will be there. Up to 276. Okay, this is trial and error, but how to reach that is approximation. They are asking 260th term. Okay, so from 255 4 to 276, it's still W only. Next, blood relation question. She is the only daughter of my father's grandson's father. Okay, this is how Deepika was introduced by Utkarsh. So Deepika, she is Deepika. My means Utkarsh. So my father, grandson, father. I may be the possible candidate, right? So daughter is Deepika. So how is Deepika related to Utkarsh's daughter? There are many possibilities also. If the Utkarsh is having some siblings and all, there is a chance. We don't have that data fully. If there is cannot be determined, we have to think about as there is not there. We can take Utkarsh is the only son of his father. Okay, Utkarsh's son. Okay, my father's grandson's father means mine. Okay, my daughter is Deepika. A piece of rope 10 meter, it is cut into 3 smaller pieces. What is the length of the longest piece? This is data sufficiency. Which data is required to answer that question? They're asking about longest piece, right? Two pieces are of the same length. Means it can be 442. It can be 334. So here longest piece can be 4. Okay, right. So there is a chance, right? So it can be 3.5, 3.5 and 3. So there are, okay, still I cannot find what is the longest one. Statement 1 alone, no. One piece is 3 meters. So one piece is 3 means remaining 2 can be 4 and 3, can be 6 and 1, can be 5 and 2. Using statement 2 alone also not possible. See, you have to try statement alone first. 1 alone can you answer? 2 alone can you answer? No. 1 alone you cannot answer. 2 alone also you cannot answer. Each alone you cannot answer. Together. Together, yes, I can answer. Together, they said 2 are equal. 1 is 3. When 1 is 3, remaining 2 should be equal means total 10 meters, right? Okay, 2 equal. So remaining 7, it can be 3.5, 3.5. What's the longest piece of the rope? Okay. And 334, yeah. So longest piece means only one should be there. This is the correct. Here two longest pieces is there. Longest piece means one. So 334. Together you can answer. This is not correct because there are two longest pieces. This is the one. Okay. One piece is 3 meters. One moment. One moment. One moment. No. One piece only 3 meters. They said. One piece only is having 3 meters length. right? So remaining two must be equal. This is the way. This is the only path. One piece is 3 meters long. Among three pieces, one piece is 3 meters long. 3.5, 3.5. We need two pieces of same length. So longest will be 3.5. Together you can answer. I cannot go with 3, 3, 4. No. So together I can answer longest piece length is 3.5. Here also see who is the tallest. First one alone you try. Then two alone you try. Two alone what is saying? Anshul is taller than Vaibhav. With that I cannot say who is the tallest. Two alone waste. Right. Next one alone. Raj is shorter than Vaibhav, taller than Sunil. Here I don't know Anshul stage, so I cannot decide one alone. But together sufficient. Yes, together if you put first one say VRS, second one say AV, who is the tallest is Anshul. Together you are able to decide. Next this one, first pair some logic is there. You need to apply the same for the second pair. 12 into 3 is 36. 23 into 4 is 72. Sometimes it can be 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. 6 square is 36. You can do like that also, but 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9. 9 square 81 not there in the options. Both have same logic, that's what the thing. Whatever it first one did, second one also should follow the same logic. So here, on account of the start of the rainstorm, there is sharp move at the expense of mangoes. Here mangoes price increase because rainstorm means crops will damage, so that's why the price is increased. Okay. So Alfano mangoes are in a demand at any price. The onset of monsoons affects the market for alphas. Yes, yes. Monsoon affects because of that monsoon effect, rains effect. Okay, market for mangoes is there. Yeah, one moment. Monsoon here rainstorm. Second one true. Yes. First one are in demand at any price. No, there is expense move at the expense of mangoes because of rainstorm. There is a sharp move in the expense of mangoes. It's increased, right? So are in demand at any price. No, it's not like that. So second one correct. You see the question, you can understand this. And here cubes are very important. 7 cube is 343 plus 1. Cubes they'll ask more. 9 cube is 729 plus 1. First and second follow the same logic. That's what we decide, right? In blood relations, using the symbols T is sister-in-law. Sister-in-law means T must be female and T should be one generation below Y. Okay, you can verify that, right? So we'll check all those at one go. Okay, as per the question, symbols meaning required. So T must be female, right? Okay, we'll check. Here, option 1, T star Y. T son of A, this is wrong because you can observe, okay, T will be male here. I don't want that. Right. I think this is at the rate or copyright. This symbol somehow missing. We'll check that. Whereas next one, E percentage T. T star Q. This is also T male. Don't consider. T is male here. Star means T is son of Q, male. So this option also eliminated. Right. So I have only okay first and third one. Right. So I think this symbol there is a meaning required. And here at the rate means mother. So one generation above. Star means one generation below. Whether means your generation. Percentage means daughter one generation below. Dollar, I think this is dollar symbol. Father one generation above. Here plus one minus one plus one minus one, zero gap. Okay, but one gap required. One gap required. This is zero gap. So this is also not the correct answer. Might be here symbol you can check. That's what, see. Okay, zero gap. You need to check the gap as well as gender. That will help you out to solve this type of questions. Checking all options will take time. I think it might be this because here it may be at the rate or copy symbol. Something missing there. I think it will be copyright symbol. If it is copyright symbol, what will be happen? Let's see. Y at the rate T. At the rate means mother. Copyright is 0. Dollar means father. Percentage is one generation below, daughter, right? So +1 -1 cancel. I have +1. Yeah, y is okay, y to t only, right? So yeah, fine. Listen. One moment. I think I went wrong here. One moment. Up to y. Yeah, first one. Okay, this is anyhow y to t only. Here it's sufficient. Yeah, y is one generation above t, or t is one generation below is correct. This is opted. But here, yeah, fine. This is +1 -1 again, brother 0. This is -1. This is +1. This is anyhow 0. Y to t 0 gap. But here y to t, y is one more than t, or t is one less than one generation below y is okay. This is okay, I think. And here, if you just observe y at the rate t, y is mother of t. T is sister-in-law, 0 gap. See, blunder mistake. As it is too late night, I am doing so. Sister-in-law means 0 gap required. This is wrong. This might be correct. Y is mother of T. So sister-in-law is your generation. Sister-in-law, brother-in-law, brother, sister is your generation. Sorry. Okay. These two are with respect to male. This is with respect to 0 gap. Satisfied. You can try with the diagram. I think it will work out. Okay. So if you want, you can check it out here. T is mother of P. P is son of Z. Z is brother of J. J is daughter of Q. Q is father of Y. So how is T related to Y? Okay, sister, brother, brother, wife. Okay, these three people are siblings. Brother, wife is nothing but sister-in-law. Correct only. T is sister-in-law, Y is correct. First option is correct here. Zero gap, sorry, zero gap. And here if you observe, okay, inequalities, common symbol, greater, B greater than Y, correct. Between C and X, how can you connect C and X? Q equal to C. So in place of this, okay, between C and X, X greater than V less than K, Q equal to C. So between C and K, there is no common symbol, C and X eliminated. So only one follows. Only one follows. Lady father is father-in-law of my. Man, mother's, father's only child means man. Lady father is man father-in-law. Means man and lady are, okay, lady father is man father-in-law. Means they are married couple. How is lady related to man is wife. So common symbol P greater than S greater than or equal to T greater than Q less than R equal to N. Okay, so here common symbol P to N, no. R greater than S, there is no common symbol, no. Neither one nor two. So a man communicates to the stranger and told him that this girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. My means man, mother, grandson, possibility is man, son. Okay, that girl is wife of. So how is the man related to that girl? Father-in-law. Father-in-law. Here Raju, he is the only brother of Raju, father's mother's daughter. Raju, father, mother, daughter means Raju aunt. Brother, only brother means Raju father only. So how is the person related to Raju is father. Raju father, mother, daughter, only brother is Raju only. How is that person related to Raju is father. So in a family of 8 members, so we have a question related to this, a lot of questions related to that paragraph. So here also we have in a family of, okay, fine, that paragraph will be addressed. Yeah, this question also there, that paragraph only, same paragraph. So that question I'll copy and put it here because same data, why here and there discussing separately. We'll keep that here. I want, okay, so only one thing. How is Shahil related to Sika? We'll close, okay, things in a couple of minutes. Yeah, when the given date, how to calculate the days? Date plus last two digits. When last two is divided by 4, okay, any integer value, no. When integer value is not there, keep it out. This is 20th century. There is century code and month code. You can see Calendar's video. This is 20th century, century code is 0. Month code, okay, 12 square, 5 square, 6 square, 12 square plus 2 like that. So 12 square, 144, 5 square, 0. And at the end we have to do minus 1 as well. So number of days equal to 18. Odd days is nothing but equal to divide by 4, divide by 7 the remainder. Remainder is equal to 4. When remainder 4 means the day is nothing but Thursday. So date plus last 2 digits of year plus last 2 digits of year divide by 4 any quotient value. Okay, month code, century code, minus 1. So you can see Calendar's video in my channel. You can understand all these things. See, in a family, every family, 5 families, every family has a certain number of children. So that number of children forms an arithmetic progression with a common difference of 1. Starting with 2 children in first family. So in family 1, 2 children. Family 2, 3 children. Family 3, 4 children. Family 4, 5 children. Family 5, 6 children. Despite of the adjustment of the parents, every child in a family has as many pets to look after as the number of offspring in the family. What is the total number of pets in the entire group of 5 families? Every child is having okay, despite of objection of their parents, every child in a family has as many pets to look after as the number of offspring in the family. Now what is the total number of pets in the entire group? See here, each person is having 2, so 2 square. Here 3 people in the family, 3 children, right? So 3 square, 4 square, 5 square plus 6 square. So it's like sum of squares except 1. And have 36, 25, 61, 61 and 16, 77 plus 13. Okay, you got 90. Total number of pets in the group is equal to 90 actually. Every person in the family, each kid, every child in the family has as many number of offspring in the family. So that's the number of children in that family. So 2 each one, 2, 2. This guy, each person is having 3, 3 into 3, 9 like that. So here this is related to square table. Okay, so fine. 2 on each side they said. Total 8 people. Right, there are 3 ladies who are not sit next to each other. J is between L and F, G is between I and F. H, a lady member, is second to the left of J. H is a lady member, F is a female member, E is a lady member. So one more lady member yet to decide. There is a lady member between F and I. G is between I and F. So there is a lady member between F and I. G is between I and F means G is a lady member. They asked one of the question, who among them are the lady members is nothing but E, G, H, right? We got here E, G, H are the lady members. E, G and H, not J, because see, G is between I and F. There is a lady member between I and F. So G must be a lady. H a lady member. H is a lady. F is sitting opposite to E, a lady member. So definitely your answer should be E, G, H. Might be some type error here and there. Don't worry, this should be your answer first of all. Okay, fine. J is between L and F. F, a female member, is opposite to E, a lady member. There is F and I. Okay, fine. F, a male member, is opposite to E. G is between I and F. It can be like this or it can be like this. J is between L and F. We'll try one possibility. G is between I and F. J is between F and L. We'll check. So E is a female. G is a female. H should be here because females are not together. H is sitting second to the left of J. Yes, J is facing towards first left, second left. Correct only. So one more person left over is whom? I, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K should be here. And any condition missed? G is, yeah, H a lady member, second left of F. F is a male member. Yeah, all satisfied. Next condition, how many persons are sitting between K and F? So depends, right? So this way 3 people, this way also 3 people. In how? Okay, 3 people. This way or that way 3 people only. Who is immediate left of F? F immediate left is J. Right is G. J. J. J is immediate left of. Correct. What is true with respect to J and K? J and K both are males and they are opposite. J and K both are male. Right. So next they given regarding, okay, truth means they are always telling truth. Okay, liars means always speaking lie. Fine. So when I met 3 people in that city, who among you is the truth teller? They asked and they're giving the answers. Now, if any one person exactly among these 3 are truth teller, other 2 are liars. So only one person is truth, always telling truth. 2 people false, lies. Now, who is the truth teller? You have to decide. Okay, who is the truth teller? 2 persons are lying candidates, 1 person should be truth telling candidate, right? Now, let us take, okay, you do verification. So if suppose Kiran is a truth teller, then Kiran should be speaking truth. I am not a liar. That's correct only. Remaining 2 should be false. Manish is not a liar. It is false means Manish is a liar. Wrong. See, Lalit should speak false. Okay, Manish is not a liar means Manish is true candidate. Is false. Yes, correct. Okay. Lalit is speaking false only. When Kiran is true, Lalit should be a liar. Manish also should be a liar. Now Manish is telling Lalit is a true teller. No, Manish is a liar. He is also telling false. So Kiran is the truth teller is correct answer. I am taking Kiran as a truth teller. It is satisfied here. Yes. When I check, he is the one truth teller. Okay, it's satisfied. No, sir, I'll check with other one. Suppose Lalit is a true teller, then Kiran should be a liar. He should say false. Okay, and Manish also should be a liar. Right now, Kiran's statement, I am not a liar. Yeah, he is a liar. He is saying I am not a liar. False only he is telling. Yeah, Kiran as a liar. satisfied. Now Lalit should tell truth. Lalit is telling what? Manish is not a liar, but Manish is a liar. Lalit character is not suitable. I am taking Lalit as a truth teller, means he is always speaking truth, but he is saying false. Manish not a liar. Manish is a liar. It is not suitable. It's not suitable. Like that, you have to do trial and error. Trial and error you have to do. Okay. And you know this is a regular one. Okay, first do sum of digits. 1, 6 plus 18, 24, 25, and this 5, 30 plus 13, 43, plus number of letters 5, plus number of letters 5. Here plus number of letters 6 should come. Let's check. 8 plus 21, 39, and 18, 57, plus 4, 61, plus 12, is it 8 plus 29, 47, 51, 63, plus 5, 68, plus 6 is there. See, plus number of letters. So, plus number of letters. So, add this plus number of letters. So, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, 22 plus 13, 35, 40, 60, 74, plus 7, 81 should be your answer. Right. And with this, okay, family one, we'll close this. Right. So, I hope you people know this is all about, okay, page. Okay, first pair, what is the, okay, this Graham Bell invented telephone. Galileo, what he did is telescope. So those general knowledge were required. So if these two are, okay, synonyms or antonyms, then this pair should be in the same logic. Presume, assume, so then singular, rare. So these are all, okay, pairs. Whether those two may be opposite words, those two may be similar words. We need to understand, we have to apply for the next step. Right, so now let's see about this question. There are only two married couples and only one married couple. Only married couples have children. Okay, fine. Shika is the elder sister of Shahu, who is married to, who is married. So Shahu married to Sia. Sahu married to Sia. Only two married couples in the family. Sahu married to Sia. Fine. Sahu is married to Sia. Okay. Shika is the elder sister of Sahu. So maybe Shika is having many sisters. Elder sister is, okay, Sahu. Fine. Salvi is the only daughter of Sumi, who is the nephew of Sika. Nephew means siblings, children, son, right? So Salvi is only daughter of Sumi. So Sumi may be sister for Sika. That's why they use the word elder sister. Okay, son for that will be Salvi, daughter, sorry. Is the nephew of Sika. Salvi is a male person. Then Sahil is the brother-in-law of Sri. Sahil is the brother-in-law who does not belong to the first generation. So wife is younger than his husband. Sia is the grandmother of Sarah. For Sarah, Sia is grandmother. So there should be some more here. Sarah should be here. Maybe for this couple or this couple, right? So friend Salvi may be married to Sahil is the brother-in-law of Sri. Brother-in-law means, okay, spouse brother or sister husband. Sahil is the brother-in-law of Sri. Maybe Sri here. Shahil here. Shahil is brother-in-law of Sri. So might be these two people are married couple. Spouse brother is brother-in-law. Shahil is brother-in-law of Sri. Might be a possibility. How is Shahil related to Shika? How many male members are there in the family? Sia is the grandmother of Sarah. Sarah 1, 2, 3. I got 3 so far. Sarah can be male or female, depends on that. 4 will come. Male members. So they use the word he or she, something like that. Total 8 members. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Salvi is the only daughter of Sumi. Okay, wait. Salvi is the only daughter of Sumi. Salvi is the only daughter of Sumi. Okay. Sumi is the nephew of Sika. Wait, here entire gone. Salvi is the only daughter of Sumi. Who is Sumi is nephew of Sika. Sika nephew is Sumi. Nephew means, okay, your brother son might be. So, but here problem, nephew means male. Okay, Sumi is a male up with that. Fine, Sumi is a male. So yeah, Sika brother daughter, that's one possibility. Sumi fine. So Salvi is the only daughter of her. Okay, that's great. Now Sumi should be married to someone. Only married people have the right, right? So 5 people, I want 3 more. Sia is the grandmother of Sarah. So Sarah can be here or maybe some elder sister here. For them, there should be a couple. No, only 2 married couples, so not possible. So it can be Sarah here. Sarah might be one more person here. Sia is grandmother, that can be taken. Shahil is the brother-in-law of Sri. Shahil is brother-in-law of Sri. This is one assumption. So it can be 4 male members in the family. How is Shahil related to Sika is nephew only. We'll see anything else possible with their data. Only married couples have children. Shika is the elder sister of Sahu. There should be one more person there. Total how many gone? All 8 gone, right? We'll check once. Yeah, with the data, this is the only possible case, right? So fine. Who belong to first generation? So here first generation means above. Okay, who belong to first generation? Sarah, no, Sia, Sahu, Shika. Sia, okay, Sarah, no, Shahil, no, Sia only. In this first generation means above, first, second, third. First generation, second generation, third generation, likewise. So Sia only is the answer. Fine, so only third one. Okay, so guys, okay, we covered max to max. So I think directions you people can handle. I think one set fully done, or at least here I'll stop. Fine. So I hope at least 50 questions we are done. Okay. And see this. Okay, we'll cover up with this missing term. Here I taken question is missed here. It's actually find the missing number in the following series. I think there is something missing in the question. Some question mark is missing here. Might be here. Okay. Here there should be some comma. I think it's what the thing. Right. So here 13 gap, 11 gap, 7 gap, 5 gap, 3 gap, 1 gap. No, 13, 11 prime numbers, 2 gap required. 87 is what your answer. Correct. Differences are prime numbers. Whereas here adding, no, 25, 5 square. No, you check this 25 choice is what? Jersey is 28 they given. You have 6 letters. Infer is 25, Jersey is 20, choice is what? You do forward code, reverse code, all those. Okay, so here finally I got 9, 14, 6, 5, 18, 20, 25, 25 plus 27, 52, right? So 20, 25, 34, 52. They written as 25 maybe reversed. Jersey 15, 33, 52, 57, 57 plus 25, 82 they given us 20, they written reverse. So I think you can understand choice is 11, 26, 35, 38, 43 they give us 34. Good question. This is all difficulty level they given. Here this is analogy. First one, what are the logic they apply same. So first letter A they given us C means plus 2, C they given us G means plus 4, D they given us J means plus 6, F they given us N means plus 8. So plus 2 means D, plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9 means I, DI, starting with DI required. How many options we have? Starting with DI, 2 options. This is all wrong. So see the last letter. Okay, last letter should be plus 8. 9 plus 8, 17. We want Q. DI, Q, ending with Q. And this is data sufficiency related. Okay, smallest of the three, x greater than at least one of the two integers y and z. So x can be greater than y, or x can be greater than z, or it can be greater than y comma z. Z is at least greater than one of the integers. So z can be greater than x, or z can be greater than y, or z can be greater than x and y. Which is smallest? So if both statements true, it can be like, okay, z greater than x, x greater than y, one possibility, or x greater than z, z greater than y, one possibility. So both statements together, I can say y is the smallest. Alone I cannot say, one alone I cannot say. This is one alone, this is two alone. If I consider together, I'll get this one and this one. So y is the smallest, I can say, together. Together means it is z greater than x greater than y, or x greater than z greater than y. So y is the smallest we can decide together. Smallest I can decide. Right. So distance and direction, right? So Sachin walks 8 kilometer north, turning left means west, then south, then finally west. This is 5 south, 12 west. You want southwest. Sir, north is highest, right? So northwest, 12 square plus 5. When it is north and west, okay, cardinal directions, okay, you have to go with, okay, Pythagoras theorem. Root of 5 square plus 12 square, 13. 13 northwest is the answer. Right. So I strongly recommend people to complete mock test 1 and mock test 2. Thank you.